Based on experience in University California, Berkeley last year, and based on already delivered bootcamp in Oxford by Cherwell and in partnership with University California, Berkeley and local business, I would like to confirm that we are committed and we are going forward with our next bootcamp, which will take place on the 19th of August in Oxford. This will be in partnership with University of California, Berkeley. This will be our second bootcamp in Oxford, and we certainly encourage the local business and local philanthropist, anyone who is keen to boost the productivity of this country through this little contribution and step, improve the economy. Join us and help the economy of this country as well as the economy of other European and Ukrainian regions.